How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 foot and calf massager. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the front of the backrest pad. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the foot and calf massager mounting post, remove and discard it. Pry the retaining clip off the mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue and then upward. If there is a plastic spacer on the other mounting post, remove and discard it. Pry the retaining clip off the other mounting post. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose, then press firmly on the connector release tab before pulling it towards you to disconnect it. Now, let's replace it. Place the foot and calf massager into position, then connect the connectors. You should hear a click, indicating that the connection is secure. Connect the air hoses, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Slide one of the mounting brackets onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Make sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Slide the other mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Make sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the front of the backrest pad. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.